Hi, my name is Samir Patil. I always struggled in classes to focus more than 10 minutes and memorize learn concept. To solve this problem, I have been working on a project for last 2 years and I'm happy to share that I have converted that project into an app Brainy. It's an app for students that record lecture audio and provide notes and flashcards automatically. Let's check out this app. The app is very easy to use. Once you open the app and press the record button, uh, you can add whatever the lecture title is and press the start button. And as you can see, you will have draft transcript instantly available. Once you press the save button, the improved transcript, notes, and flashcards will be available in 3 hours. Let's check out the lecture which we saved. As you can see, the raw transcript is here, but notes and flashcards are not. Let's check out the sample lecture which was recorded earlier and has notes and flashcard generated automatically. The cool thing about this media player is that app will highlight the transcript as you listen to the class lecture, and in notes section you will have automatic notes generated and those are editable. So once you press the pencil button, you can just edit the notes, improve the notes a little bit and save it. Under flashcard tab, you have multiple options. uh, Once you approve the flashcard, that flashcard will be available under flashcard feed. You can edit the flashcards as well as discard it. Discard the flashcard which you don't like, and let's say you want to add any flashcard, you can just press add button and easily put title and content, and that flashcard will be automatically approved and will be available under flashcard feed. And you can use the flashcard feed just like TikTok and Instagram. Let's say you want to understand or relearn the concept from flashcard, you can just press the lecture button and it will take you to the main lecture from where the flashcard is derived, and here you can relearn that concept and come back. That's the app. What do you think? Please let me know in comment section below. Also like this video and share it with your friends and family who are attending the schools. Link to this app is in description below. Thank you.